We did have a wind advisory this afternoon, and it continues into this evening. Trying to show our Clyde Warren Park picture here, not because it's in color, but because you can see the trees blowing to the right of your screen. South winds at 20 miles an hour. Those are the sustained winds. It's gusting even higher than that at times, and temperatures are still in the low 80s there. So it is warm and windy across North Texas right now. Upper 70s and low 80s. And we've got really generally most of the state kind of on the warm side right now. But you look just a little farther up to the north, and you can start to see the changes in the coloring. So cooler air, this is our next cold front, expected to arrive tomorrow. And you can already see some stormy weather with this up into Kansas. We're going to see some storms here in North Texas, likely as we make our way into tomorrow afternoon. So here's 7 a.m. on Sunday. Kind of getting started with those Mother's Day plans early. I think we've got partly sunny skies. So some of you are seeing sunshine, some of you are seeing a little bit more cloud cover. But as we get closer to midday, if you are north and west of the Metroplex, you may not notice much of anything tomorrow, other than just the fact that our winds shift from the south to the north and temperatures cool off a little bit in the afternoon. But if you're in the Metroplex, areas farther south and east, you'll definitely still be holding onto the clouds by midday, maybe a few showers starting, and then into the afternoon. We've got to watch for a few stronger storms as this cold front kind of meets the warm temperatures of the afternoon. We're expecting highs to get into the 80s tomorrow, so you start to see by 3-4 o'clock, especially east of I-35 and south of I-20, we get a decent coverage of showers and storms. Now, if this cold front speeds up a little bit, we may not see much of anything, so that's still kind of something to watch, but most models kind of hinting at this cold front lingering through the early afternoon time frame, and then into the evening, that cold front pushes to the south. So we are going to watch some of our eastern and southeastern counties under a level 2, slight risk for strong to severe storms. The main threats would be damaging wind and large hail. The tornado threat is low at this point. And the flooding threat, it depends on how much rain we see, but we did see a decent amount of rain last week and, of course, the week before as well. We've got more rain in the forecast for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, though. Temperatures are going to get a little cooler as we get into the first half of next week, and we could be looking at maybe picking up another 1 to 2 inches of rainfall before we finally dry out by the second half of next week.